Alright, so we're going to go over how to save a design now. So say you have your design all done and ready. Happy birthday, dog. Ready to put on a shirt. But first you want to save this artboard and save your project so if you want to come back to it later, which you should always do. So every design save, you're going to want to save it this way and then export it as a file ready to upload. So think of this as your reference point. So if you want to use this again or come back and change it or make it better in the future, you can. All you want to do is go up to File, Save As. You're going to pick where you want to go. So we're going to save it right here in the folder where I'm working on this course, and we're going to call it Happy Birthday Shirt. So you name it whatever you want so you can reference it. If you want to start folders for organization and stuff like that, here would be the place to do it. You're going to save it as an Adobe Illustrator file, .ai, and then hit save. Everything in here should be perfectly ready. You shouldn't have to touch anything. Just hit OK. It's going to save it exactly like it is. All your layers, all your colors, stuff like that. If you're going to start a new shirt, you can also use this as a building block and then edit it later and resave it. So now you have this to work off of every time. Everything's set up the way you like it, and it's a nice little template. So when you're ready to actually do the upload, it's a whole different process. But it's super easy. Because we set up our artboards this way, all you have to do is come over here to your layers and then make that bottom layer, the visibility, we're going to toggle that off, okay? So you're not going to see your font now, but if you just kind of go over it without clicking, you'll see stuff highlight. And then click that on again. So see, it may not look like it's there, but it's there. So we're making that blue layer invisible, the bottom layer, but that top sheet's still there. So really this is just a transparent, it looks white, but it's going to be transparent. So we're going to hit File, Export, Export As, and then you're going to get right in here. And then you don't see your saved file now, but what you're going to want to do is click down here, and you're going to want to make sure that you're saving it as a PNG because that's what Merch wants. It's already going to be titled what you had saved the file as, and then you're going to hit Use Artboards. Now what that does by selecting Use Artboards, it says whatever's on this artboard right here, this is your artboard, it's going to make sure that that shows up in the design, and then hit Export. So when you go over here, you're going to see everything you need here, and you're going to see your background color. You're going to want to click this. It may be automatically white. You want to switch that to transparent. And now you see these checkerboard. That means that this artboard isn't showing up, just the text. And if you can see there very lightly, you'll see the text in there. And then the other thing you definitely want is Merch wants it at 300 ppi, so come up here and switch it to 300 ppi. And then that's all it. These will be saved for the next time you export. Hit OK. It's going to automatically export it for you. It's going to take a second. If your computer's slower especially, you're going to see it do this. My screen just went black because I'm recording, but it usually doesn't do that. And it takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Dun 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 dun. Done. So that file is now exported, and if we go and look in our files over here, let's see, we'll go to Desktop, Illustrator course, boom, birthday shirt, there it is right there. If you pull it up, there's your design. It's not going to show the background, but that design is now ready to be uploaded to Merch by Amazon. So your file is now saved as a work project in an Adobe Illustrator, and also as an uploadable t-shirt file at your 4500 by 5400 pixels PNG transparent. So that's all there is to it, guys, and we'll get into some of the more complex stuff down below in the next couple lessons. But I hope you're enjoying the course so far, and if you have any feedback, please be sure to let me know.